Hello guys, welcome to Proto Media, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to disable Wi-Fi or any network adapters you have on your computer. So on Windows 10 you had to go to Control Panel to be able to do that. That's not the case anymore with Windows 11. So all you need to do is to click on the Windows icon and then you go to Settings. On the left you need to go to Network and Internet and then Advanced Network Settings. Here you'll see the list of all your adapters, so you have Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and etc. And all you need to do to disable them is to click on the disable button here. So if I want to disable this one, I click here, it's now disabled, and then to enable, I click on it again, and it's now back online. Now, if you need to configure any advanced settings, such as going to the properties of the adapter itself, then you need to click on more network adapter options, which will bring here this list, and all you need to do is to click on the adapter and go to properties, and you will be able to configure whatever you want to in here. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please consider subscribing to get access to more tutorials, and I see you on the next one. Bye.